Isn't this fantastic? Speed, adventure. Could you ask for anything more?
We could use a seatbelt, maybe.
Yes! Maybe we're going a little too fast.
I think you're doing great, Katya. We've got company!
Help!
For once, I agree with you. The nature of this trip just changed quite a bit.
Little Hop, can you get me a jar of Dunder honey?
Yes! Good thinking! Then they'll have stomach aches for 3 days.
Not for them, for me! Are you sure you want to do this with me? I'm giving you a chance to stop with this nonsense. Remember that I warned you. I told you so.
Yes, poor wolves. That's what happens if you've never heard of BAMSE and his dunder honey.
Shellman, do you have a sandwich or two in your shell? Eat this instead if you're hungry, and leave us be now.
What was that? Dunder honey?
Yes. It makes Bamse into the world's strongest bear.
Interesting. Very interesting.
And with that, our 3 friends and Katja arrived at the little village where Bianca, the world-renowned scientist, was last seen.